open your project and make sure you have 4 beats in total. The duration of my transition is 2 seconds. And make sure you copy the layout of these. From beat 2, these 2 clips start. Click on your first layer and go to Keyframe. Click Transform. Add position keyframes at the start and beat 3. On the second keyframe, move your layer a bit to the left. Click on the graph editor and add this mid-graph. And click Copy Graph for later use. Now go to the second layer on top of that and add position keyframes in the same places at the start and beat 3. Go to the first keyframe and move your layer completely to the right out of frame. And now paste the graph in between. Click on the music note, go to Keyframe, Transform, and add position keyframes in the same places. Go to the first keyframe and move it out of frame on the right side. And don't forget to paste the graph in between. On the same layer, click Add Effect and add Linear Wipe. Add progress keyframes at the start in beat 3. At the start, increase the progress to around 60. And increase the feather as well. Make the angle 90 degrees. And don't forget to paste the curve in between the progress. Now for this part of the transition, take this picture. You can use the mask option down here. Press and hold on the frame and drag it on top of this picture until it says Create New Group. Now zoom this out and place it as you like. And on beat 2, add a text. Adjust the duration of the text and also adjust the color of the text. For this, I add color overlay. Go to the group, go to Keyframe, Add Effect, and add Perspective. Add horizontal keyframes at the start and end of the group. And on the first keyframe, make the angle -90. Paste the graph in between. Now go to the text and add position and rotation keyframes at the start and end. And on the first keyframe of both properties, adjust it. And don't forget to paste the curve in both. Lastly, add a parent layer and select every layer here. Click the check mark and then go to Keyframe, Transform, add position, scale, and rotation keys on beat 2 and end. And on your second keyframe, adjust your layer and don't forget to paste the curves in all properties. When you're done, click on your group one more time and click Make Group. So now when you edit it, you can add your effects,